Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I will be making a different kind of effect, and for this I will be using these two colors of alcohol ink. They are by Rangers, and a black tint, resin tint, and this white pigment by just resin and empty containers that I will be later on mixing my colors. So I have beforehand mixed my resin, and I am using a low viscosity resin here. So first I am mixing my colors. In one container, I will be mixing that black tint. Make sure to mix before adding the color in. And in the second container, I will be using my white pigment paste by Just Resin. So it's titanium white, by the way, and I really love to work with this pigment paste. So I just need about this much. And I think I have around 30 ml of resin in my container. And starting off with the black pigment, the black resin, I'm making the outer circle here, and there is no resin in my mold. So here I'm really generous with my black resin. Next in line is the white pigment, and I will be making again the outer ring in white. So the colors I show in the beginning, the alcohol ink, those both colors I added 3 drops each into my resin, and somehow the clip didn't got recorded. But what I did here is I simply mixed it into the resin and poured into the center. That's it. So this is how it looked when I poured the green resin into the center. And now I'm topping it with a clear in the center. And now for the center, I'm adding this foil mixture. It is a combination of different colors, copper, gold, and it's a mixed color, and goes perfect with this combination of green, white, and black. And in the center, I will be adding this black tourmaline. It's a crystal. And after that, I am adding just the leftover resin that I have. And after pouring the leftover resin, I will leave it to cure for a day. See you next day. So this is the next day, and this is how it turned out. I can feel that there is a lot of movement since my area was not leveled. So let's see how it turned out. So this is how it turned out. I really wanted the effect that I got in the center, but this white, it somehow dropped and did to take over the effect. So in the second one as well. So I need to see why this happened. It's because I think my area was not leveled, but the effect I was looking after, I got it. So I will try it second time, but I'm really loving it how it looks overall with the green color. Now for the edges, I'm using this golden color that I showed you. So with the brush, I will be applying it onto the edges. So I will do on both. So I was thinking a lot that I really love these coasters and I don't want them to be a failed attempt. So I thought of an idea. I am using my crystal molds and I have mixed the green color again and a little bit of black. So I will be pouring both of these color into this crystal mold. As you can see, I am pouring them. First I have poured the black one. Now I'm adding the green one. And after pouring my resin, I will leave it to cure. So after a few hours, I really don't want my resin to be a rock hard cured. So I'm at a stage where I can touch my resin and it's still movable because I will be cutting these crystal clusters into the size and design I want for my coasters. So here I will be adjusting it according to in different positions to see on which angle they will look more pretty on the coasters. And of course I'm going to hide the the white that have covered the coaster. So you get my point what I'm doing here. So this is another tip for you if you have a coaster that has some sort of this um, problem, so you can do that. And after a lot of cutting here and there, putting here some crystal over there, it's finally decided how I want them to be. So what I'm doing here is I have to do the top coat. So what I will be doing here is first I will be pouring the top coat onto the coaster and then I will be arrange the crystals as I wanted them to be. This color, green color, is such a pretty green color. Uh, I think anything you can make with this color will turn out amazing. So I think a lot of credit will go to this color as well. So this is how I'm arranging my crystal. I really don't want to overdo it, but again, I want to hide the white and plus I want it to look lovely. So we'll see how it turn out. So this is the final look after my top coat has been cured. And these crystals, you can see how beautiful they are looking. And I think I have succeeded in covering my mistake and turn them into something special. They definitely look something very different from the normal coasters, and plus I really love the effect that has been created. So I will practice this more, and I think definitely I knew what happened, so next time this will not happen. I again fingers crossed because this is resin and you don't know what happened. I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments. And your kind suggestions and help is always welcomed. And like, subscribe, and share. thumbs up if you like the video, and consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. I do create a lot of experimental coasters plus different techniques and much more. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.